Hey guys, it's Adri. Welcome back to my channel. Today's hair tutorial is going to be a bubble braid. I've just been seeing it more, so I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys. Before we begin, give this video a thumbs up. If you like seeing my videos, comment below after this tutorial and let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel just right down there so you don't miss any of my future hair tutorials. Okay, let's get started. So for this tutorial, you are going to need some elastic bands. I just got these from Target. I've also used the ones from Sally's. You might also want to get some bobby pins, and I've linked my favorite ones below. Let's go. Okay, to start out, you're gonna pull some hair back from the crown of your head and tie it off with a clear elastic band. I only tied it off with 2 loops just to keep it more loose. And then you can pull at the hair at the crown of your head and at the sides of the pulled back section. And you're gonna pull some hair back into the section that you've already tied off and tie it off with a clear elastic band a couple inches below the first one. Now we're gonna pull at the bubble braid, or at the bubble section, and basically pancake it, make it bigger. Make sure you're only pulling at the bubble section though, and not the part that you've pulled back from the front. And then you're gonna take the hair that you've tied off, and the same distance from the first to the second band you're gonna make from the second to the third, and tie it off with the clear elastic band. And then go ahead and pull at that bubble and make it just as big as the first one. I only left it at 2 bubbles, but you could go down once more and do 3 bubbles, or you could just leave it at 1, whatever works. Just make this your own. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys liked it. I think it would be perfect for the 4th of July. I hope you guys liked this hair tutorial. Let me know if you did by giving me a thumbs up down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.